Let's talk a little bit about tones in Chinese. 声调。大家好。One of the main differences of Chinese language with other languages is different tones. Let's practice a little bit these tones. Here we have the same syllable, ma, with different tones in Chinese. As we can see here, this syllable with different tones is represented with different characters, and also it has different meanings. For example, the first one, ma, is mom. The second one, ma, is the plant, hemp. Ma, the animal, horse. Ma, the verb to blame. And this last one, ma, without tone, we use it a lot in Chinese in order to make yes-no questions. Approaching to the tones one by one, we can say about the first one that is like a robot speaking. This is the first tone. As you can see here, I'm raising a little bit my voice. The second tone, similar to the question what. For example, if I cannot hear well what has been said, I can say what. It's like a little step up in my voice. Also, when we are answering the phone, some people say yes, so small raising in our voice. The third tone, we go down and up. We go to the lower part of our voice and then we raise our tone. For example, imagine that you receive an unexpected work and you realize that you are not having free time during the weekend. You say, what? Going down and raising up of the tone is the third tone in Chinese. We move to the fourth tone. Angry tone. No, like a hit with your voice. And the last one, the fifth tone, is also called neutral tone, without strength. Let's practice a little bit. For example, here we have la, 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 la. And the last one, la. Another syllable, ne, 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 ne. For, 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 for. Mu, 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 and mu. Here we have a word with the four main tones in Chinese. The word for Colombia, 哥伦比亚, 哥伦比亚. So I hope that now you have a little bit clearer in your mind the differences between the tones in Chinese.